I'm going to start out by arranging the tracks in the session in a way that I'm accustomed to working. Our first group will be the drum tracks. We can see there are both main drum parts used here as well as a separate bridge part, so I'll make this one next. Following that, we have the percussion. Then we get into the guitars. We have a bass DI and a bass amp, then 5 acoustics, followed by 5 electrics. Next we have the keys. We've got some piano and some synths and sound effects. And last but not least, we have the vocals. There's a lead vocal, a double, we've got some backgrounds and harmonies. It's very easy to move these tracks around to where you like. Just select them on the track name and you can move them up and down throughout the session. There's another way of moving these around as well. You can go over to the track list, select them from there, and move them to where you like. The other thing I did was color code these tracks so they're much easier to find within the session. Quite simple to do, just highlight the track names that you'd like color coded, select one of the color bars to the left of one of the tracks, and pick your color. I've also created groups for these tracks in case I want to do any global changes to them, such as automation or, say, some edits. I've selected the tracks that I want on the left, use the keystrokes Command-G, which will open the Create Group window. I give it a name and select OK. Your new group will show up under the group window down in the lower left corner. I'm also going to create some memory locations so it's easier to navigate throughout the song. There's a few different ways of doing this, and one of them being we can do it on the fly. So when we're in play and we've come up to an area that we want to make a location, just use the Enter key. It will open the Memory Locations window, give the location a name, and select OK. You can also do this with the session not in play. Just using your selector tool, drop it in the location that you would like, hit the Enter key, give it a name, select OK.